Audio talismans, manifestation, and energy tools. Can I use 3 audio talismans from the same flash drive? Yes, you can. They will work together, but the manifestation process will take about 3 times longer. If the talismans are designed for opposing topics, there might be an initial conflict in energy, but it will harmonize over time. How do conflicting intentions affect manifestation success? Conflicting intentions, such as focusing 20% on wealth and 80% on other topics, can dilute effectiveness. Focus at least 60% on a single goal to manifest it efficiently. Avoid mixing wealth with health, but wealth works well with protection. Is it safe to use Brazilian Latin audio? Yes, it is safe, unless you're extremely sensitive to sound frequencies. Like caffeine, use it in moderation. Overuse might cause discomfort. How do I deactivate audio talismans and spherical files? Move regular audio talismans, on flash drives, at least 3 to 4 meters away, or store them in another room. To deactivate spherical files, delete them and empty the trash. Alternatively, move them 2 rooms away, or place in water for energy blockage. What is acclimatization in energy tool usage? Acclimatization occurs when energy tools feel less intense over time. This is similar to how you adapt to hot water in a sauna. The effect is mental and applies to all energy tools, including X sigils. How can I use music to improve financial situations and solve landlord issues? Use manifestation music, for example, Manifest Any video, while playing a slideshow with wealth affirmations. Consistent use, 2 to 3 hours daily, may shift your energy and attract better opportunities and landlords. Is it okay to listen to MP3s with headphones or speakers? Headphones offer up to 99% effectiveness due to direct subconscious interaction. Speakers give about 90% and are safer for prolonged use. Spherical files project energy into rooms without direct listening. Can the MP3 help make people approach me? The MP3 is designed to reduce anxiety, not force others to interact. Removing internal blockages and improving self-image is essential. Once you're open and anxiety-free, people may naturally approach. MP3s, like Women Approach Me Ultimate version 10, can indeed make women approach you. Can energy MP3s treat physical ailments, like neuroleptic side effects? Yes, custom X sigils can target conditions like neuroleptic malignant syndrome and muscle stiffness. However, effectiveness varies, and stacking too many complex intents into one tool is not optimal.